In previous class we have done chapter 1. Now today we are going to continue this chapter. Okay? तो अभी जो हम लोग सम्स करेंगे उसमें जो नंबर्स दिया गया है उसके पीछे जाना है. जो नंबर्स बुक में लिखा है हम लोगों को उसके पीछे जाना है. We have to go backward, okay, and fill the missing numbers. So keep. Now again look here. Okay. Now look here. So just I have said that backward means पीछे जाना. Okay. So now look here. These numbers are going backward. पीछे जा रहा है. देखो सामने से पीछे जा रहा है. 9 से पीछे जा रहा है. जैसे कि 9 after 9 8. Then what comes after 8? What comes before 8? What comes before 8? Where is 8? Now show me in the chart. Where is 8? This one is 8. No, this is 9. This one is 8. Yes. What comes before 8? What is written here? 7. Yes. So we have to write here 7. This is backward. We are going backward. Now after 7, before 7, what comes before 7? Look here. 7 we have already written here. Now what comes before 7? What comes before 7? 8. No. Before means आगे, right? So what comes before 7? 6. Yes. Bottom, very good. Now write 6. And what comes before 6? What comes before 6? 5. It is already written here in your book. Yes? Okay. Now next question. What is this? 6. Who can say what comes before 6? Who can say? Ushashi, can you say what comes before 6? Oh, you know what comes before 6. Okay, now show me in this chart what comes before 6. This is 6. What comes before 6? 7. No. Then 5. Yes, very good. So what we have to write here? 7? No. So what we have to write here? We have to write here number 5. Why? Because we are going backward. पीछे जा रहे हैं हम. इसलिए that's why we have to write in this way. Okay? After 5, what comes before 5? Before 5. Before means आगे. 5 के आगे. Now look here. What comes before 5? 6. No. This is 5, right? So what comes before 5? 6. No. Then okay. Now look here. What is written here? Number 6. Yes, it is written number 6. Now look. I am standing behind 6, okay? Now I am going backward. I came to number 5. Now again I am going backward. I came to number, oh, here the number is missing. So how can I collect these numbers? How can I found these numbers? For this I have to look at the number chart. So what comes before 5? First find the 5, number 5. Yes, it is here. I got it. So what comes before 5? Is it 6? No. Then it's 4. Yes. Then so we have to write number 4. So again I go backward from number 5 to 4. I will jump from number 5 to number 4. I will go backward, okay? In this way. Yes, I came to number 4. Now, again I have to go backward But look here, again the number is missing. So I have to find this number fast. Then I have to jump to that number. So look here, if it is 4, I have written 4 here. And in this chart 4 is here. Then what comes before 4? Who can say? Imran, what comes before 4? Yes, number 3. So which number I have to write here? Number 3. Very good. Now look at. Again we have to go backward like this. Again. Yes, I came to the number 3. Now again I have to go backward to the next number. For this again I have to jump like this. Yes, we came to the last number. And which number is this? This is number 2. Very good. Then again go forward and stand in front of, I have to stand in front of number 8. Which number is this? Number 8. Now the next number is missing. So we have to find this number, right? So first we have to check this number chart. Where is number 8? Yes, it is here. So what comes number 8? What comes before 8? 9. No. What comes before 8? 7. Very good. Now we have to write number 7 in this box. Now come to number 7. Yes, this is backward. Now after 7 we have to go to this box. Now come backward. It is written here. It is already written here. Which number is this? Number 6. Now after 6, is there any number? No. So we have to find the number which comes after 6, right? So look at this chart, number chart. Can you find number 6? Yes, we find it. Where it is? It is here. Now tell me what comes before 6? What comes before 6? Is it 7? No. What comes before 6? 5. So we have to write number 5. And then come backward to number 5. Yes. Now what comes? What we have to write after 5 here? This number is also missing. So we have to find this number in that number chart, right? So come and we will find it together, okay? First find number 5 in this chart. Where is number 5? This one? No. This one? No. Then this one? Yes, this is number 5. We found the number 5, right? Now we have to count the missing numbers also. What comes before 5? Number 6? No. Then what comes before 5? 4. Very good. Now write in this box number 4. Complete? Okay. Okay, now look here, we have already done this. Now your homework is this part. You have to do this one in your book, okay? This is your homework. Now we will do this one. What is the question? Arrange the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. But before that, we will know. First we will discuss about the smallest and the biggest. What is smallest and what is biggest, okay? Okay, now what is smallest? Do you know what is smallest? Smallest means chota. Look, I am small, right? Now what is biggest? Look, I am big. Now I become big. This is biggest. Smallest, biggest. Okay? Now in this way we have to do this math. Okay? before doing this one, first tell me this, which one is, you have to find the biggest one and the smallest one. I will draw some pictures. You have to find out the biggest one and the smallest one. First we will go for smallest, okay? You have to find the smallest. Now look here, I have drawn some balls. Now look, can you see these balls? Can you see these balls? Yes. How many balls count? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls. So you have to find the smallest one, right? So tell me which one is smallest among these balls. Which ball is this? Is small in size. This one? No. This one? No. This one? No. This one, this is the small ball among this, right? देखो सबसे छोटा है ना ये बॉल, smallest मतलब छोटा, biggest मतलब बड़ा. Then so the सबसे छोटा बॉल कौन सा है? This one. Now what are these? These all are stars. Now look, count how many stars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many stars? 5 stars. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Now we have to find out the smallest star, right? So which one is the smallest star? Who can say? Motomi, can you say which one is the smallest star? I think this one. No? Then this one? No, this is not the smallest star. Then which one is the smallest star? This one. Yes, look. This is the smallest star among all the stars. सबसे छोटा है ना देखो. Right? Yes. Now, if I will say look at this two things. What is this? This is an ice cream stick. What is this? This is an ice cream stick. And what is this? This is a marker. Now tell me which one is the smallest one? Who can say? Tell me fast. Can you see the size? Which one is the smallest one? Yes, the ice cream stick is the smallest one. And which one is among these two, which one is the biggest one? Yes, the marker pen is the biggest one. देखो, marker pen और ice cream sticks कौन सा बड़ा है? Biggest कौन सा है? Marker pen, right? और अगर फिर से देखोगे ice cream sticks और marker pen में कौन सा छोटा है? Ice cream sticks, right? Yes. Now you know what is biggest and what is smallest. Now we will do the sums. Okay, now everyone look here, look at the board. All of you. Now we have to find out the smallest number, okay? We have to write from the smallest to the biggest. छोटा से बड़ा. जो छोटा नंबर है वो हम लोग पहले लिखेंगे, जो बड़ा नंबर है वो हम लोग लास्ट में लिखेंगे. Okay? Understood? Now look here. Which number is this? This is number 8. Which number is this? This is number 5. This one number 3. This one number 9. This one number 7. Now our smallest number. So we have to write 3 in this blank box. Now we have already done this one. Now how many numbers left? 5 numbers. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Now among 4 numbers left. So this one, and this one, and this one. Among these 4 numbers, it is already done. We have already done 3. We have found the smallest number. You have already found the smallest number. Now we have to find out another smallest number. What comes after 3? 4. After 3, what comes after 3? 4. But 4 is there? No. So what comes after 4? 5. Now look, can you see 5 in this boxes? Yes, it is here, right? So we have to write number 5. Done. Now we have to find out another smallest number. What comes after 5? 6. But 6 is not here in this box. Then what comes after 6? 7. Yes. 7 is here in this box. Is 7 is here in this box? Yes. 7 is here. So after 5 we have to write 7 because after 5 according to these terms after 5 which is the smallest number? 7. So write 7. Now we have already done this 3 numbers 3, 5, 7. We have already done it. Then how many numbers left? 1 and 2. 2 numbers. Now among these 2 numbers we have to find out the smallest number. Now smallest, which one is smallest? 8 or 9? Which one is smallest? Who can say? Which one is smallest? 8 or 9? 8. Very good. Why 8 is small than 9? Because 8 comes first. After 8, we write 9. Yes? So 8 comes first. That's why 8 is the smallest number. So we have to write 8. Complete? So we have already written 4 numbers in these boxes, blank boxes. Now which number left? Among these 5 numbers we have already written these 4 numbers. Now which one is left? This one. So which number is this? 9. So 9 is the biggest number. And that's why it came last. Done. Now come to the next question. Can you see this box? Can you see this circles? Can you see these boxes? Yes. What is written in this box? In the first box, it is written 7. After that, 5. Then 1. Then 3. And at last, it is written 8. Now we have to find out what? Smallest number or biggest number? We have to find out the smallest number. छोटा सा नंबर जो है उसको ढूंढना पड़ेगा. We have to find out that number. Okay. Now for that we have to look at the chart and we have to see which number come first. कौन सा नंबर पहले आता है? 7. When we write from 1 to 10, first we write 7. No. Then 5. We write 5 first. No. Then which number we write first? Number 1. So look at here. Where is number 1? This is number 1. No, this is 1, 0, 10. So where is number 1? Yes, it is here. We have written at the top of the chart, right? So 1 is the smallest number among these 5 numbers. सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है ये सब में से? 7, 5, 1, 3, 8. Among these 5 numbers, 1 is the smallest number. So that's why we have to write 1 first. Done. Next, what comes after 1? After 1, what comes after 1? Look at this chart. What comes after 1? What we have written after 1? 2. But 2 is there. In this box, 2 is there. No, 2 is not there. Then after 2, what we have written? 3. Is 3 is written in this box? Yes. Why is 3? This one. So 3 is the another smallest number. Smallest means chota. Now we have to write 3. Okay. After 3, what comes after 3? Look at the chart again. We have written after 3 we have written 4. But 4 is there? No. So we have to cancel 4. Then what comes after 4? 5. So is it written here? 5 is written in this box. Yes. Where is the 5? Show me. This one? No. This one? Yes, it is 5. So we have to write 5 in this box. Complete? Okay. Up to 5 we have written. Now look here. After 5, what will come? 6. 6 is written here in this box? No. So after 6, what will come? 7. 7 is written here? Yes. Why is 7? Yes, it is here. So we have to write 7 in this box. After 7, what comes after 7? 8. So among these 5 numbers, we have only one number left. So what is that? That is 8. So what comes after 7? 8. Okay. Now do this part. Now do this part in your home. This is your homework. Okay. Now come to the next page. Page number 7. Now we will do before, after and between. Now tell me what is before. Before means आगे. Okay. Before means आगे. After means बाद में. After means बाद में. And between means बीच में. Like look at these two things. This is, what is this? This is marker and this one is ice cream stick. So which is and this one is duster. Okay. So which is after what is after this ice cream sticks? What is after this ice cream sticks? Duster. And what is before the ice cream stick? Marker. And what is in between this marker and duster? Look here. Yes, this ice cream sticks in between the marker and this duster. So what is after? After means बाद में. Look here. This is ice cream sticks. After ice cream sticks, what is there? What I am holding this one? This is duster. And what is before? What is before? Before means आगे. So if duster is at last, then what is before duster? This stick, ice cream stick. Okay. And in between this duster and this marker, what is in between this? This ice cream stick. like this. What is there before me? What is there before me? This duster. And what is there after me? This blackboard. And what is in between this blackboard and duster? I am standing in between this duster and this blackboard. Understood? Now we will do the sums. First question is, write the number that comes just before each of the given number. First we have to find out the before numbers. Okay. Now which number is this? This is number 7. So we have to find out the number before 7. Now look at this chart. Where is number 7? This one. So what comes before 7? 8. No. What comes before 7? 6. What comes before 7? 6. So you have to write 6. Now which number is this? This is number 2. What is number 2? This one is number 2. No. This one is number 2. So what comes before 2? Is it 1 or 3? Which one? Yes, it is 1. So what comes before 2? 1. Now this one, 1, 0, 10. So what comes before 10? What comes before 10? 9. So write here 9. Done? Okay, now rest is your homework. Now come to the next question. Write the number that comes just after each of the given number. We have done the before numbers. Now we will do the after numbers. After means पीछे. Okay? या बाद में. After means बाद में. Before means आगे. So now we will do the after numbers. So what comes after? What comes after 5? What comes after 5? Do you know what comes after 5? Yes. After 5, where is 5? Show me the chart. Yes, this is the chart, number chart. And where is 5? This one is 5. So what comes after 5? 4. No. Why? Because this is before number. After, we have to find the after number of 5. So what comes after 5? 6. What comes after 5? 6. So write here 6. Now which number is this? This is 6. So we have to find what? Before number? No, we have to find the after number. So what comes after 6? What comes after 6? 7. Now write here 7. Now which number is this? This is number 9. What comes after 9? What comes after 9? What is 9? This one. So what comes after 9? 10. So we have to write here 10. Now rest you have to do the homework. Now come to the next question. Write the numbers that comes between each of the two given numbers. So we have done before, after. Now we will do the between numbers. So between numbers, first tell me what is between. Between means बीच में. This is a book. This is a pen. Book, in between book and pen. Who is there? I am standing in between the book and the pen. Like that. You have to find the between numbers. Now 1 box 3, then 5 box 7, and 7 box 9. comes in between 1 and 3. What we have, you have to write the between numbers. Okay, between means beech mein. Now which number is this? This is number 1. So what is number 1? Yes, this one is number 1. And this one is number 3. What is number 3? It is here. So in between 1 and 3, which number is there? Number 2. So you have to write 2 in between 1 and 3. Then next question is 5 and 7. You have to find out the between numbers of 5 and 7. Now look at the chart. What is 5? Yes, it is here. So, and what is 7? It is here. In between 5 and 7, which number is here? 6. So what is the between number of 5 and 7? What comes in between 5 and 7? 6. So write here 6. Now next question is 7 dash 9. So you have to find out the between numbers of this number. So what is 7? Show me the chart. Yes, this is number 7. So in between 7. Okay, this is number 7. And after that, which number is this? This is number 9. What is 9? This one is 9. So in between 7 and 9, which number is there? Number 8. So you have to write your 8. Understood? Now do this in your home. Okay, this is also your homework. Now come to the next page. Page number 8. Now we will know about the more and less. Do you know what is more? More means zyada. What is more? More means zyada. Look, I have so many ice cream sticks, right? This is more. And if I have only one ice cream sticks, that means this is less. Zyada means more and kam means less. Okay. And one more means the number which comes just after any numbers. Okay. That is one more. Like 5. What comes after 5? Yes. After 5 is 6. It is just like before and after. One more means if I have 5 chocolates. If I have 5 chocolates and you give me another chocolate, then how many chocolates I have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, is it more or less? It is more. Okay. Now, if from this chocolate, now I give you 2 chocolates. So, how many chocolates I have now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 chocolates I have. So, this is more or less. It is more than 6 or less than 6. It is less than 6. Understood? Now we will do the sums. First we will do one more. Then we will do one less. First we will do one more. First question is 5 box. Then 4 box. And 9 box. Okay. So if I have 5 chocolates, I have given you the example. If I have 5 stars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you give me another star, then how many stars I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what comes after write here 6. Like that. Which number is this? This is number 4. So if I have 4 balls and you gave me one more ball, then how many balls I have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what comes after 4? 5. Now which number is this? 9. So what comes after 9? Yes. If you add 1 with the 9, then it becomes 10. So 9 comes after 10. Okay. So what comes after 9? 10. Very good. Now do this rest of the sums in your home, and this is your homework. Do it properly and I will check when the school opens. Okay. Now we will do the revision. A little bit we will do the revision. Okay. What we have studied today, we will do a little bit revision. First we learn about the numbers from 1 to 10. So what are the numbers from 1 to 10? You have to say with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is numbers from 1 to 10. Then we have learned about their names. Like us, numbers also have their names. Okay? Each number have their own names. Suppose 1. The number name of 1 is O-N-E. 1. 2. T-W-O. 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. 6. S-I-X. 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. 10. T-E-N. 10. Then we have learned about counting numbers. We know the numbers, then we learn about their names, then we have learned about the countings. Suppose I have, what is this? These are stars. Now you have to count and tick the correct numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we found how many stars are there? There are 6 stars. Now after that, we have learned about making pairs. And what is making pairs? Suppose I have a marker pen and one duster. These two makes a pair. Okay? A book and a copy makes a pair. After this we have learned about the zero, concept of zero. Zero, what I have said in previous class, what I have said, what is zero? Zero means nothing. So if I have one pen and I give it to you, so how many pens I have left? No, nothing. Zero. Okay? Now next is forward counting. Forward means आगे जाना. Forward means आगे जाना and backward means पीछे जाना. So you have to count and write the missing numbers. Then we have learned about the backward numbers. After that, smallest number and biggest number. Smallest means छोटा, biggest means बड़ा. Then we learn about after, before and between. After means पीछे. What is after me? This board. Before means आगे. what is before me? This book, and in between this book and board, who is there? I. So book, in between book and this board, I am standing here. Okay, this is between. Now last topic is one more and one less. Now here I have shown you, if you have 2 chocolates and I give you another one, so if you have two stars and I give you another star, how many stars you have now? 3 stars. So this is one more. That means what comes after 2? 3. And one less means what comes before 2. That is if you have 2 stars and I have taken 1 star from you, how many stars left? Okay everyone, all of you have understood the lesson. I hope you have understood the lesson. So whatever I have given the homework, do it in your book and do it properly.